Hello everyone, my name is Rakhi and I'm living in Goa. And guys, this is day 10 of the series and let's learn English. Guys, today I want to share something with you all. You know guys, when I came here in Goa from my place at that time, I don't know much about this place. But when I started staying in this place, I start knowing about this place. I have learned so many things after coming in the Goa. Guys, when I was studying in my place at that time, there was no much development in the village. But nowadays, development is happening in the village too, right? And I understood that when I came in Goa, because after coming here, I went in different places. I explore out different places of the Goa and language also different of the Goa, and I have learned that in my college with my friends, like they used to talk in the native language, so mostly I hear them like what they are saying in their language, and after hearing for the long time I started understanding the language, and that's how I also learned the language of the Goa. And here are so many temples which like tourist people also come to visit the temple because there are a lot of history about the temple of the Goa. Many places are really famous in Goa, but guys, can you guess what will be famous in the Goa? If you know, who tell me in the comment before hearing my answer. Okay. Okay, so let me tell you what is famous in Goa. Actually, Goa is famous for the beaches, and I am sure that if you watch movies, then you have heard about this, because Goa is really famous for the beaches. And when I started living in Goa, and after knowing this place, I also get to know that here are tourist people which come to visit in the temples of the Goa, and they explore out different places of the Goa. So I can say, hey, tourism is also in Goa is more. Guys, I want to show you something. See this? Can you see this guy? Actually, he is my pillow and he come to play with me. And he is saying to me to do this in his head so that he can go to sleep, if he sleeps like this. See how quietly he is sleeping like a small child, you know. And when I'm recording the video, he came and he making a lot of noise. You can see guys, my pillow is sleeping because somebody has beaten him here. Actually somebody has beaten him, so like he has this, you can see, this is red, and now he want just to do this in his head, so he want to sleep now. You can see how he is playing. Actually he came here to just play. Whenever he come to here, he just make noise like this, he just come to just play and make noise like this, how he is just making noise like a small child, you can see he is just a small child, and he is saying, guys, when I go in my place, there are also my distance relative. He used to say that they want to visit the Goa at least once in their life because this is really a good place. Like whatever I heard about this place, it's really a quite beautiful place, and yeah. So like people also say this that they have a dream to visit the Goa. Guys, like people have dream to visit the different place. Guys, like I haven't thought any dream place, but yeah, like many people used to say me, so that I get to know like people have a dream to visit the place, and I can say how lucky I'm in the dream place of the people. So yeah, this is the all about the Goa, and which is your dream place? Let me know in the comment. Okay, and have you visited any place which people have dreamed to visit? Just tell me in the comment. And okay, and yeah, this is for today. And if you are new in the channel, subscribe the channel and join this journey to learn English. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, happy learning and bye.